my roses have come back, as you can see, and that's the Alba Rose tangerine, the tangerine skies. And I have a squirrel problem. They keep digging. Don't know if you can see that. But anyway, the roses are doing fine. There's the other one. And the rhubarb has come back again. Let me take you inside and show you what we have in here. All right. There we go. So we have cilantro coming up and lots of dill. And all this dill is from last year. I let the one that was way in the corner over there go to seed. And then right before I pulled the plant, after it dried out, I just sprinkled all that dill around the greenhouse. So that's coming back. And then we have our little tomato experiments that I've been doing. That's a San Marzano. We have spinach growing in here. And then we have another San Marzano right there. We have lots of chives. That Swiss chard is from last year. I don't know if you can tell, we've already started eating off of it. And we have more cilantro interspersed in here with the garlic. I was in the middle of putting fertilizer in here, that's why it's all messy. And then I have this celery from last year. I should have pulled it, I did not, and it seems to have come back. More garlic, and interspersed between the garlic we have radishes, and I believe this is the yellow radish. And we also have beets somewhere in here. That's one of the tomatoes that I tried overwintering in the house, and it is miserable. So I brought it out here today. I'll plant it somewhere and see how it does. That's the pineapple tomato from last year. Lots more dill. That's the elephant garlic. The elephant garlic did not do very well. I should have had about about 20 of them. And let's see, we got what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. About 10. Only about 10 of them made it. I'm not sure what happened there. Then we have the Swiss chard again. That's the white one. We have the multicolored one, the rainbow one, and the white one over there. And I did start a few more seeds, well, not a few, like 12 of them, and I'll intersperse them throughout the garden, just so we have enough to last for the season. We have more garlic over there, and that garlic is, I don't know, well, I see the label over there, and I cannot see the name on it. So I guess I'll have to go back to the original video if I want to figure out what's what. All right, so I'm going to take this plant out until I'm ready to deal with it. Give me 1 second here. All right, get back in. Notice that it has aphids on it, and I don't want to do that. Okay, we have some more spinach. We've interspersed the spinach, well, different greens all over the greenhouse, just to make sure that we have enough for the season. This here in the middle is the, I see the tag, that's the Inchelium, I can't say the word, and it's I'm going to say Inchelium Red garlic, and it is soft neck garlic, and that's the only soft neck garlic that I planted as an experiment, since I always do the hard neck. That's the Chinook garlic in the corner. Now we have more spinach. And then in this section here, we have my favorite garlic. I believe that's what this is. Cannot find the tag. Let's see if I can see it. Yeah, that's the music. And I wasn't sure that that music garlic was going to grow, because the little garlic bulbs I got from, what's their name? Kin. It did not look very healthy, but I went ahead and just planted it, and it looks like it's going to be fine. So we have the chestnut and the magic over here, and we'll see how that goes. And then we have a flower over there. I should know the name, can't think of it right now. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, we still have my mess. I didn't feel like dealing with it. So as I walk in each section, I'm taking them out a section at a time, since I haven't felt like coming in and just working on that. Oh, you need to come in? All right, good girl. Okay, let's not eat the lettuce. Okay, so we have more lettuce in this corner, and I'm just pulling them one at a time as I have time and transplanting them throughout the garden. And then over here we have a greenhouse sweet pepper. So I bought some peppers specifically for the greenhouse, and I'm going to intersperse those in here as we are ready to bring them out. So I brought out one just to see what is going to happen as an experiment. It might be too early to start bringing them out, so I didn't want to bring out everything. That one looked like it was struggling, so I thought, well, I'll just stick it out there and see what happens. We have more spinach. We have a San Marzano over here. I wasn't sure if that was going to make it, but apparently it's coming back nice and strong. Let's see, what else? I think that is it. So I'll go back to planting and transplanting, and as I work, I'll pick up the camera if I need to. And we will see you on the next one. Bye.